Mahatma Gandhi. All of us know, if you have not studied about the history also, in schools we have studied that Mahatma Gandhi is known for the non-violence and the truth, right? So when he says the non-violence, he refused to adopt the violence like Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, who adopted the violence to fight against the Britishers, right? But Mahatma Gandhi said, no, I won't adopt the violence. What I will adopt? Non-violence. So he started the movements like non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement. Now, what guided Gandhiji to adopt the non-cooperation movement? The principle, the standard which guided him to adopt the non-violence was, what was that principle or standard? What made Gandhiji to adopt the non-violent means? That means, if we talk about Gandhiji, what made Gandhiji to go for non-cooperation movement instead of revolutionary movement, like the killing the Britishers, throwing the bomb? He didn't adopt that. He adopted the non-cooperation movement like the peaceful movement. What made him to do that? What was the standard? The principle of non-violence. Principle of non-violence made him to act in certain way. This is the person, this is the principle and standard, this is the human action. So, ethics is the principle and standard which is guiding the human action.